Hey guys, I just got a mail call today from Classy Raptor. So I thought I'd show you an install and maybe a knife that would match it pretty well. I ended up getting a Mokuti backplate for my Glock 19. So we'll get into that. I'd like to show you his packaging. His packaging is actually pretty cool. So it comes with a nice sticker, a couple business cards, and then I love when people do this, handwritten letters, addressed to me. It just means a lot. They took some time out of their day to do that. So, what else? Yeah, Mokuti American Flag. So we'll get all this put back away. And then in his package, he's got like the coolest little, foam packing inserts I've ever seen. They're little Glocks, along with little raptor claws. So that's pretty cool too, just a little extra touch. And then in here, we've got the actual, get this case off so you can see it better. Mokuti with American flag. I love how this one turned out because they're all going to be a little bit different. So let's get into the install. Well, I guess disassembly and install. So show clear, hammer down. Nice, simple. Anyone can do at home project. All you need is like some sort of a pin. This is a Leatherman mutt, so it's got a push pin. There's a little plastic sleeve here, just below the firing pin. You're gonna hold that down with your pin, and then pull your back plate down. Make sure you put your thumb over it. It's that easy. The old plastic one. When you're installing, you're going to have to push this down first. Then once you get your back plate on past that point, you're going to have to push the extractor down until you get it past that point as well. And then you can just slide it home. Very well machined. I like that little extra touch there. Serialized. And he's laser etching the flag on there. He does a ton of other designs as well. Get the oils off. It really shows you the color. I don't know, it's just it'll be a really cool little addition to this gun. So let's do an install. Kind of get this started. Press this down. I got a little schemopus there. So we're past that point. Now we press this past, and we're installed. It's that easy. It just adds a little bit of a little bit of flair, and love having the American flag on there. Plus, I think it just looks really nice. Along with, this is my alley bastion. Match made in heaven. And then you can just, do your normal install of your barrel and spring. And then my Glock 19. Zebtech trigger, and now this will be the only two modifications I've done. I've got a barrel coming for it, Salient Arms threaded barrel in gold. I got gold because I knew I was getting this. I think it'll be a nice touch. I may end up doing some mill work myself for an RMR and maybe some cutouts on the slide itself. I love this trigger though. Show clear. It's a nice light trigger, and the reset is nice. All aluminum, full drop-in system. Makes it easy for anyone at home to do this. But anyway, give Classy Raptor a follow. It's kind of hard to get these. I happened to jump on this one right as he had put it on Instagram. I've been waiting for one. It's hard because all the colors are going to be different. There was one right next to this, so it was mostly purple, and it just didn't. I don't know. It didn't do it for me. But this one I loved. It's my favorite that I've ever seen. As far as Mokuti with American flag theme. So I was happy to pick it up. So yeah, nice simple install video, and I hope you guys enjoyed that. I look forward to doing more videos, and if you have any questions at all, message me or hop on my Instagram. I'll be taking some pictures of this on my Instagram and putting those up with more links to. Let's see, we'll get you. See if he has his Instagram anywhere on here. Show you his business card. There you go. So give this guy a follow. Incredibly polite, an incredibly nice person. Makes these for the 42 and 43 as well. They will be different than this. The standard will fit on everything but the 42 and 43. So make sure that you're getting the correct one. But he does have them for 42s and 43s. I think he even has them for like Smith & Wessons and some of the other striker fire style pistols. So there's his info. Hop on Instagram, give him a follow. He does Star Wars. I think he said he was going to try and get away from that for copyright reasons, but just about anything. I think you can even custom request. So if you're from a certain branch of the military, you can ask for that as well. So thanks for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed it.